bubble, sir.
Here.
Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I did not, sir.
Alex, quit fighting me.
Sir, stop. Sir, I didn't do it. Stop. No. Why have you done? Stop. Stop. I didn't do it.
It won't fit. It won't fit. Get it. Make it fit.
On Friday, July 15th, 2022, Byron, Georgia police received a 911 call. A vehicle was spotted driving recklessly along GA Highway 42, swerving into oncoming lanes and nearly causing multiple collisions. The driver, 24-year-old Sierra Hibbert from Warner Robins, Georgia. As the SUV approached the intersection of Highway 42 and Highway 49, concerned citizens stepped in. Blocking the vehicle to prevent further danger. Officers arrived on scene and attempted to speak with the driver, but Hibbert was uncooperative, refusing to respond to commands. Stop sticks were placed under the tire.
She's not gonna make it far. Go.
In anticipation of a possible escape. Suddenly, she reversed, hitting a vehicle behind her, then accelerated forward, striking a Byron police officer and damaging a patrol vehicle. The situation escalated fast. Moments later, Hibbert backed up again, this time hitting 2 civilians, and drove forward again, striking another police vehicle. Despite a flattened tire from the stop sticks, she took off, heading north on Highway 49.
I know I'm bubbled, sir. I know I'm bubbled, sir. Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I did not, sir.
Alex, quit fighting me.
Sir, stop. Sir, I didn't do it. Stop. No. Why have you done? Stop. Stop. I didn't do it.
It won't fit. It won't fit. Get it. Make it fit.
Stop. I did not do it. I did not do whatever you guys are talking about. I did not do anything you guys are talking about.
I need to correct 3 police cars.
Officers followed cautiously. From the dash cams and body cams, you can hear the urgency. She's not going to make it far. Go, move, move. Officers attempted to block her in again. She responded by ramming into a third police vehicle, then hit another for the second time, causing serious damage. Eventually, the pursuit ended just up the road, when officers successfully boxed her in. The suspect was finally taken into custody. But what officers discovered next was even more disturbing. A small child was in the car during the entire incident. Thankfully, that child was not physically harmed. As officers confronted Hibbert, bodycam footage captured her denying everything. "I didn't do anything. I didn't do whatever you're talking about." One officer responded, "You just tried to kill 10 people." Hibbert now faces a long list of charges, including aggravated assault on police officers. Child endangerment, reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, hit and run. The Peach County Sheriff's Office is leading the investigation and overseeing the criminal case. Thanks to the quick actions of law enforcement and concerned citizens, no lives were lost that day. But this reckless event is a stark reminder of how fast things can escalate and how lives can be endangered in seconds. The community of Byron remains shaken, but grateful for the safe resolution.
I did not do it.
Want more real-life law enforcement footage and true crime breakdowns? Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think should happen when someone puts a child in this kind of danger? Trending searches for this story include Georgia woman police chase with child, Byron GA SUV, Rams officers, Sierra Hibbert arrest video,